Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Shiba Inu price prediction and Shiba Inu news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Shiba Inu in 2022. Let me remind you a little about what Shiba Inu is. The Shiba Inu aspire to become an analog of Ethereum Dogecoin. Dogecoin is based on the SHIB algorithm. Shiba Inu with SHIB token are part of a whole flock of canine cryptocurrencies collected from Baby Dogecoin, Baby Doge, Dogecoin, Doge, Jindo Inu, Giant Alaska Inu, LOS, and the Alaskan Malamute token, LASM. These low-value tokens caught the attention of those who missed Dogecoin's jumps from $0.0002 to almost 75 cents. Once upon a time, there was a very special dog in the world. This dog was a Shiba Inu breed and inspired people all over the world to invest in tokens with an image. According to the Shiba Inu website, SHIB is a Dogecoin killer and will be listed on shibaswap's own decentralized exchange. Shiba Inu paper revealed 3 reasons why he created the SHIB team. We started from scratch. The brilliant minds of Shiba have never collaborated before. We love Shiba Inu dogs. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Shiba. Mapping how Shiba Inu's next entry trigger will play out. Shiba Inu, SHIB, saw a brief consolidation between the $0.034 and $0.018 levels for over 2 months. The buyers are now building up tension at its 3-week trendline resistance, white, dashed. Here, do note that for brevity, SHIB prices are multiplied by 1,000. If the sellers reject higher prices in the current range, SHIB will position itself for a near-term pullback towards its immediate demand zone. Following the same, any close above $0.02439 would help the alt recover towards the $0.025 zone. At press time, SHIB was trading at $0.02446, up by 4.45% in the last 24 hours. As soon as the alt hit its 3-month low on 22 January, the buyers took charge at the $0.018 mark, as they have for the last 5 months. Soon after, SHIB bulls initiated a rally that led the alt to double its value, before reversing from its long-term ceiling of $0.034 level. As a result, the bulls have ensured higher troughs, while the bears kept the peaks in their influence. This contributed to the formation of a symmetrical triangle-like pattern in the last 2 months. Recent movements have favored the bulls as SHIB broke out of its down channel, yellow, and crossed its 2050 EMA. Also, the 20 EMA, red, now looking north, affirmed a near-term bullish advantage. Now, $0.024 is a critical zone for the buyers to topple for them to claim a solid edge. Any close below this level would confirm the existence of a hidden bearish divergence and would stall the buying spree. The pullback would continue to rest at its demand zone before the buyers yet again challenge the trendline resistance. Rationale: the RSI's upturn from its oversold territory only saw the 40-mark hurdle and its swift recovery above the midline. Any close below its trendline resistance would reaffirm the hidden bearish divergence. Nevertheless, the CMF crossed the zero line and pictured a buying edge. Also, the DMI reiterated the bullish edge, but its ADX projected a weak directional trend for SHIB. Conclusion: the $0.024 zone is vital for the buyers to conquer for the recovery to test its 200 EMA, yellow. Before that, SHIB could likely enter into a tight phase between the $0.022 and $0.023 levels. Besides, the meme coin shares a staggering 80% 30-day correlation with Bitcoin. Thus, keeping an eye on the King Coin's movement remains essential for a profitable move. And second news, the where and how of SHIB traders making a profit here. The dog-themed token was on a steep downturn after attaining its ATH in October of last year. Thus, Shiba Inu, SHIB, declined between southbound parallel channels and fell below the vital liquidity range near the $0.033 zone. SHIB prices multiplied by 1,000 from here on, assuming the 20 EMA, blue, stood sturdy. Any close below its 200 EMA, yellow, would brace SHIB for a retest of its 5-month trendline support, white, dashed, or its demand zone created near the $0.022 02 range, rectangle. At press time, SHIB traded at $0.02538, down by 15.9% in the last week. During this bearish phase, SHIB lost its crucial point of control, red, horizontal, near the $0.033 level, and fell below its 200 EMA, yellow. Additionally, this level coincided with the 23.6% Fibonacci resistance. The fall halted at the 2-cent mark that the buyers upheld for over 4 months. Consequently, the price entered a tight phase, while the bulls started building up pressure and rejecting the lower prices. Thus, it saw over 70% gains from 3 to 9 February and broke out of the down channel, while the 23.6% level stood strong. Over the last few days, the pullback volumes have exceeded the recovery volumes, hinting at a strong bear move. Going forward, SHIB aimed to test its 5-month trendline support before a likely test of its demand zone, ensuring floor at the $0.02 level. post which, the bullish comebacks would continue to find a ceiling at its point of control. In this video, we will raise the following question: will Shiba Inu return to all-time highs? Shiba Inu continues to trade well below all-time highs. As of February 13, the altcoin price is at $0.000029. At the same time, on October 28 last year, the asset traded at peak values of $0.000086, a decrease of 66%. The price will not return to its historical maximum for a long time. This is the phrase of one of the analytics experts. After the price collapsed by 80% to $0.000017, Shiba Inu recovered by 105% to $0.000035. The coin is interesting for investment. As a target, I suggest choosing the level of $0.000053, 50% of the fall from $0.000086 to $0.000017. With a favorable outcome, the price will reach the calculated level by the end of March of this year. Power reserve is approximately 70% with the current price model. The price will not return to the historical maximum for a long time. To begin with, buyers should gain a foothold above the $0.000040 level. Then they need to hold this level for 5 to 7 days, so that the price does not fall sharply again. Plus, a positive background is needed for the entire crypto market, and a fall in the dollar. All markets are in a fever because of the expectations of the US Federal Reserve rate hike on March 16. Shiba Inu is an asset, the value of which depends entirely on the interest of investors. The more the coin is bought and used, the higher the rate. From this point of view, it makes sense to look at how the developers intend to develop the asset, attract new users, and expand the use of Shiba Inu as a means of payment. And in 2021 alone, the number of investors who purchased the coin increased by 30%, which is a lot. Even institutional investors invest in the asset, despite the fact that it is considered a meme token. Firstly, the shibaswap ecosystem, which includes a decentralized exchange and a marketplace, is currently developing quite actively. Secondly, Shiba Inu payments have become available on the largest online platforms, Amazon and eBay. Developers are seriously investing in expanding the ecosystem, which attracts users, while the scalability of using the asset as a means of payment is growing. There is every opportunity for Shiba Inu growth during this year at a minimum of 30 to 50%. We will also analyze with specific examples what to expect in the coming years from this cryptocurrency. We will start with a forecast for this year, and it sounds like this. It looks like by 2022, Shiba Inu, SHIB, prices will reach a level similar to their previous record high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $0.00003148. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Shiba Inu's maximum price could be up to $0.00003536 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. The forecast for 2023 for analysts is that they believe that the current Shiba Inu price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore SHIB could reach $0.00005183 by 2023 with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.00004401 for 2023, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2023. What will happen in 2 years? Forecast for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices.